Hey everybody, welcome to Practical FX Trading. It's December 19th, 2019. It's the market day for 12/20 is rolling around here soon. Doing a Euro USD daily analysis. Just want to talk about the action happening in Euro today. So I'm looking at a daily chart, and my descending trend line goes back pretty far. If I zoom out here, I'm really looking at some peaks that happened all the way back in 2018, back to this recent bull run. But this is the resistance zone from 1150. We get some extreme spikes through up to close to 1200, and then we've got this shelf here, kind of right around the 1120, 1118 mark. So if I use this as a zone, like a resistance zone, I'm trying to drag this triangle over here. What I'm looking at is that as long as price doesn't go pop through this zone with a solid bull, then I'm currently in position to sell. So what I'm seeing here is a 200-day moving average coming down over the top of these peaks. We see price, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. We see price spike through, but then kind of fell back to the zone, came up again, got rejected again. Now, with today's or yesterday's candle, we saw some action back up close to that moving average, once again rejected, and now I'm looking for a descent. These moving averages are just about to converge, so perfect time to continue back down on trend. Now, my sentiment will reverse if price goes above this 1150 mark. Then I'll think about maybe going bullish, but currently I'm bearish. And if you want to be ultra conservative, putting my stops back about 1.1180. If I want to be a little more short term, let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour. Then I'm going to put my stop right above 1155 or so. Just because basically at this point, if the trend resumes and goes above this zone, then I'm going to change my sentiment. But we see here in the 4 hour, the moving average, price crossing below the 50 period moving average of the 4 hour. And as long as it stays below that, then I'll be looking for price to kind of continue to decline back towards this 1050 area, right about the, I think 1074 is the weekly support one and the pivots. So that's what we've got going on with the euro right now. So if this happens, this should be interesting because it's coming up on the last day of the market week, which means our weekly candle's almost finished. So if we zoom in, what's that going to mean? We're going to see in the last couple of weeks a big, strong, bullish wick. Now, if price stays up here, though, and doesn't fall, there's still a possibility that, I guess it could go up. However, as long as price stays below this zone here, I'm feeling pretty good about the sell. Now, because the markets are really slow this week, it might not happen until 2020. So that's always one consideration. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. If you want to get more Euro USD analysis updates, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and you can subscribe to the Euro USD playlist as well. All right, take it easy. Thanks for hanging out with Practical FX.